Y'all ready for this?
Ready for your
He's dancing, He's like, you know what? I waited like an hour and a half, but I don't even give a shit. It's okay. It's all worth it.
At first glance, it might seem that I flew halfway around the world just to get some fried chicken. And though that's not the case, for over a year, this fried chicken has been on my mind. And I've been anticipating coming all the way back to Paradise just to see if the food here at Southern Love is worth the hype. Now in this episode, I'm going to take you to a place where this brother right here brought Southern fried chicken to Paradise. Now some of you might remember that last year when I came to Oahu, I was served up the best burger I'd ever had in my life. And knowing I was coming back here again this year, I knew I wanted to go there and this soul food restaurant that I looked into but wasn't able to get to. So I tried to book my stay close to both places, but I failed. I'm close to the soul food place, but I'm nowhere near Bonsai Burger. Alright, now because of some of the stuff I got planned, I decided to take the bus in. Whew. And decided to take the bus in to Waikiki, I guess that's how you say it. Waikiki, and right there in the background over my left shoulder, that's my hotel. That's where I'm going. Right, so it kind of makes me wonder, or leaves me to assume, brother, that I'm not too close to Bonsai Burger. I'm not too close to Bonsai Burger, which is kind of, I don't know, I guess you can't have everything, right? So after checking into my hotel, this is me heading out to Southern Love to get something to eat because I'm starving and I'm fiending for some drumsticks. They don't even have a door to the lobby. That's how you know the weather's always good. Jeez. That's a glass door I didn't see. Now before we really get into it, why don't you do a brother a solid and drop a like on this video. It won't hurt and it doesn't cost you anything. But it does help this channel out. Because y'all know I'm trying to grow, right? Y'all know I'm trying to grow this channel. So hook a brother up. Drop a like on this video. Now as always, I'm going to be judging the food's taste and texture, the establishment's hospitality and service, and of course the ambiance of the joint. Well, because there's just not enough business, I guess. Oh man, but that does smell good. Oh my God. Look how far I am to look. It's way over there and I smell the chicken. Oh my God, that smells so good. Woo. Not even right. In case you're interested and you get the opportunity, Southern Love is located at 753 Queen Street, Suite A. That's Honolulu, yo. Now, along with the fact that every staff member I talked to was cool, I also love that this ain't no spot for the bougie. It's a nice little spot where you come to eat, not look pretty.
He's like, can you check the fries? I'm like, she said 1 minute. She said they're not ready yet.
Kind of cool. I'm actually watching dude make my plate. Yep, dude is making my plate right in front of me. But check out how delicious these other plates look. So as you can see, the choices for dinner are some very traditional soul food dishes, which gives me the impression that the brother knows what he's doing. Which is kind of cool because for an establishment that hasn't been here very long, they got their act together. How long you been here, bro?
2 years.
Yeah.
Been good.
How'd you know the drum system gonna work?
I know how to make chicken.
No, I don't mean that. I mean, in other words, like people like wings.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
People
even when we do wings,
Yeah.
we can't do wings that often because they're expensive. It's expensive to do wings. So even when we do the wings,
Yeah.
we run them like on a Wednesday. We'll call it Wild Wing Wednesday.
Yeah.
And we'll do it like with a hot honey sauce that we make at house.
Okay.
Sauce on that. People go crazy. Like when we do events and stuff like that.
So you got that on Wednesday? Or you were
Not
doing
every Wednesday. But it's like, you know what I mean? When I have it, I'll have it. But
Okay.
when we have events and stuff like that, we'll do like a Wing Wednesday.
Okay.
We'll do wings on like an event, like an outside event. We'll do wings. Cause I know what the people want.
Dude, yo, you ain't never lied.
I mean, the chicken, listen.
When I walked up,
when
I walked up, I smelled it. It's like I have my aunt. She moved to the south, and I haven't smelled chicken like that.
Oh yeah, man.
Since she
That's
left.
legit.
So that's why I sat there.
Yeah.
That's why I sat there.
Yeah, man, look, that chicken's good, man.
So I didn't order anything fancy. I got my usual go-tos, which is either going to be sweet potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and either fried fish or fried chicken. Today, it's going to be fried chicken. And they call this a fried chicken plate, which only comes with 2 pieces. But because of the aroma, which I smelled about a block away, I knew I was going to like it, so I got 4. And let me tell you, there's one thing I am so grateful for, and that is I appreciate good food. And you know why that's important? Because I will seek that shit out.
Wait, but it gotta eat though, so you're on your grind, chasing paper till your feet swole. But it's silent till you weep, you got PTSD, brother dead in the street, newsflash, move past, now his name obsolete. It don't matter, stay distracted and forget him in a week. Mama still crying while we sculling up the feed, keep on sending TikToks, ain't no fucking up your streak this week. Oh Lord, free my thoughts. Oh Lord, free my mind. Oh Lord, free my soul.
I can't even tell you how this reminds me of when I was a kid and we couldn't wait for Sundays to come so we could go over Aunt Maddie's for some good fried chicken like this. Oh my goodness, this boy put his foot in this chicken.
Yes, I'm gonna take those and have it for you real quick, and then I'll be right out.
Let me know when you're ready for your
He's
mac
dancing. Look at him. He's dancing. He's like, you know what? I waited like an hour and a half, but I don't even give a shit. It's okay. It's all worth it. Woo.
Have you tasted this?
Have I tasted that? I eat that every Thursday. My love, I eat that every Thursday. That is what I eat every Thursday. So guess what? I don't get it today.
You know what it is? With every bite, there's more appreciation for how good this is. I mean, yo, for real, this is some good chicken. So, the part that's the best about this, I literally waited a whole year for this. I literally waited a whole year. Because I came in here last year, August, on a Monday. Yeah. And I was on my way out. I was on my way back home when I did it. So I've been thinking about it. It's like, yo.
You love that chicken?
It's so crazy. So though I wasn't literally waiting an entire year for this moment, it was on my list of things to do. And I am so glad they didn't disappoint. Not at all. I'm also glad that I was smart enough or had the insight to take an order of their Mac Daddy Bowl to go. Big Daddy Bowl. Now what I'm enjoying is, you know, you bite into chicken, you want to know it's cooked well. And this is cooked well, but it's not overcooked. It's crispy, but it's also tender. And oh my goodness, the taste runs through almost every part of the bite. Like you get more taste with every chew. Only one piece left. It's not that surface, that bland flavor where it's just on the outside. It's all the way through and through this chicken. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to finish this now. And drumsticks aren't easy to fry. Don't get it twisted. They're not. Man, I haven't had fried chicken that good in so freaking long. So freaking long. Wow, that even beat Yardbird's fried chicken. Yeah, that man know what he doing. Whew, I'm feeling some kind of way right now. And I'm anticipating it's gonna take me a while to get back to my room because I can't walk fast. Oh man, I didn't realize I was full, but I am.